Understanding conspiracy to defraud and civil capacities. The legal system can often be complex and confusing, especially when navigating between public and civil domains. A critical distinction lies in understanding the concepts of civil versus public capacities and how these apply to allegations of conspiracy to defraud. This educational document aims to clarify these topics and offer insights into actionable remedies for individuals. Conspiracy to defraud. Overview. A conspiracy to defraud involves an agreement between two or more parties to deceive or cheat someone, often for financial gain. This deception can manifest in various forms, including the wrongful appropriation of assets or manipulation of legal documents. Key to proving such conspiracies is demonstrating intent and the occurrence of overt acts in furtherance of the fraudulent plan. Civil capacities and legal remedies. In addressing fraud or other legal violations, individuals often encounter terms like civil capacity. Civil law deals with private rights and obligations, distinct from the public sphere where statutory regulations dominate. Approaching cases in civil capacities allows individuals to challenge public entities on private grounds, demanding accountability through appropriate legal frameworks. Revoking public obligations. Individuals often unknowingly engage with public systems through mechanisms like social security numbers, driver's licenses, and insurance policies. These agreements may create obligations that bind individuals to public jurisdictions. To reclaim autonomy. Revoke underwriting. Notify relevant authorities that you rescind any agreements where you acted as an underwriter for bonds or obligations. File civil complaints. Transition disputes from public courts to civil courts, focusing on harm and rights violations. Claim assets. Reclaim assets held in trust by proving your rights through documents like birth certificates or estate claims. Understanding insurance and public bonds. Insurance policies often underpin public obligations, serving as collateral for government bonds. By revoking agreements tied to these policies, individuals can remove themselves from unwarranted obligations. This requires thorough documentation and an understanding of contractual terms. Practical steps for legal remedy. Review documentation. Scrutinize all public contracts, including birth certificates, vehicle titles, and social security accounts. Draft revocation letters. Clearly state your intention to revoke public agreements, citing applicable legal grounds. Engage civil offices. Address correspondence to civil offices of relevant entities, ensuring you bypass public jurisdictions. Allege conspiracy where applicable. If fraud is evident, include allegations of conspiracy to defraud in filings, supported by factual evidence. Educational resources and examples. Understanding these principles requires research and critical thinking. Consider the following resources for further learning. Black's Law Dictionary for definitions and legal terms. Historical case studies highlighting the misuse of public systems. Relevant statutes, such as 28 U.S.C. Section 1331 and Section 1491, which outline civil and federal court jurisdictions. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us. We neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.